vent pipe. There's that. There's this. This one, the bolt stays stuck in it, so we're going to have to kind of wiggle it in here and try to get it back in place, which can be kind of a trick, but we're going to get it in there, get that back down, take our bolt. Now, because this one, the bolt head is damaged, tighten that up. All right, so we've reached the end of the job. We're gonna go ahead and end this. Thanks for watching it. 30 minutes, roughly, to have that off. It would have been less if I didn't have to scrape everything. But anyway, not so bad.